What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video I'm going to explain the reason why I chose a dividend income investing. This is the strategy I chose. Now, there to make money in the market there are many strategies out there that you can implement to make money. It just so happened that this is the strategy that I chose to build my portfolio. Now, the dividend income portfolio that I'm trying to build is basically a collection of stocks that pay dividends on a regular basis, either monthly or quarterly, and the goal is to have enough of it to pay for my living expenses. Now, why did I choose this dividend income strategy? For one, if I wanted to, I can use it for immediate income. I don't have to wait for retirement. Second is the snowball effect, compound interest. And the third reason is because of its simplicity. Nearly everyone can implement this strategy. Now, if you look at your typical IRA or 401k, you have to wait until retirement to use it unless you take out a loan, which I strongly discourage against. So, unless you have to, do not take a loan out on your IRA or your 401k. Second reason is you have to tap into the balance to fund your retirement. Take a look at this hypothetical scenario. An individual at the age of 60 has $500,000 in his account. According to NerdWallet and the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the, the average retiree would need roughly $3,800 a month to pay their bills. And according to the Social Security Administration, the average Social Security check is $1,400 per person per month. Now, if you just look at this scenario here, if the average retiree needs about $3,800 a month, Social Security provides $1,400 of it, you're going to have to make up that $2,400 per month or $28,800 a year. If this person who has $500,000 in his account, taps into that balance and uses $28,800 a year, he'll be out of money in roughly 17 years. So if he retires at age 60, they could be out of money by the age of 77 years old. Now, this is a simple scenario. It's not taking into account inflation, rate of return of remaining balance, and other circumstances. So you can see that this is not a good scenario right here. Running out of money with a dividend income portfolio. Let's say you have that $500,000 account that yields 5% annually. That equals about $25,000 per year or $2,083 per month. Add that with the average Social Security check, you get $3,483 per month. And this is without tapping into that $500,000 balance. Now, maybe you're asking, but where can I find stocks that yield 5% or more? Well, these are just three examples here. AT&T, telecommunication company, 5.46. AbbVie, a pharmaceutical company, 5.78. Has 32 products like Humira. Newell brand, just a little over 5%. They have products that you're probably familiar with. Papermate, Mr. Coffee, Coleman, Sharpie. Now, this is not an endorsement of these companies at all. These are just examples. With a dividend income portfolio, I don't have to wait till retirement to spend it. I can cash out the dividends right now. For example, let's say I bought $10,000 worth of AT&D at $38 per shares. That'll give me 263 shares, and they pay, as of right now, 51 cents a share. That equals to a little over $134 a quarter or $536 a year. If I have several companies that yield close to this, you can see how that add up. Now, I don't know about you, but having an extra $536 a year, that could come in handy. Here is an example of the snowball effect. Let's say you take that $10,000, you contribute to it $100 a month, which equals to $1,200 a year. You give it 12 years to grow. Interest rate is at 5%. You compound it 4 times a year because most stocks pays dividend quarterly, so 4 times a year. At the end of 20 years, compounding at 5%, you'll have $68,360, while you only contribute $34,000 total. That is the power of compound interest. Here is an example of my dividend chart between 2013 to 2019. Now, between September 2013 to November 2016, um, I did not implement a dividend income strategy. It was more of a buy low, sell high strategy, even though some of the stocks did pay a dividend. You can see that the dividends that I was earning per month, you know, didn't look that good. But on January of 2017, I started implementing a dividend income strategy, and I held those stocks, and with those dividends, I bought more stocks. And you can see the chart kept growing. The third reason why I chose a dividend income strategy is simplicity. One, I buy and hold. Two, I buy dividend paying stocks. So if it, so if a company that's doing well but they're not paying any dividend, it doesn't belong in my portfolio. It's just my strategy. Third, low maintenance. Unlike day trading and a few other strategies where you have to be on top of it on a daily basis or weekly basis, a dividend income portfolio, I can literally just check it once a month. Just once a month. And lastly, I'll consider selling these stocks when the dividends are cut. The key word is consider. If a company is going to cut their dividend, they better have a damn good reason why they're doing that. If the reason is good enough for me, I'll stick with them and buy more stocks. If they don't have a good enough reason, I'm going to cut them right away. Now, I want you to take a look at my average monthly dividend income. I want you to know that this took me 6 years to build. The dividends are reinvested, and I can cash out and spend the dividend at any time. As of right now, from September 2019 to September 2020, if nothing else happens, if I don't add any more capital to my portfolio, if the dividends aren't cut, nor are they increased, nor are they reinvested, on average, I'll earn $982 per month in dividends. Let me ask you this. What would $900 a month extra mean to you? Will that help with the rent? Will that help with the mortgage? Will that help with car payments? I tell you this, with $900 a month, that's enough to cover 2 car payments. So these are the reason why I chose a dividend income portfolio. I just want to thank you for staying through the end, and hopefully that you'll continue to follow me and watch my videos and follow my journey. Thank you.